Today I'm going to be reviewing JMSSKJ's Bleach gel pen. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. Real easy to use. You can actually just take off the top there. Now I had to like bend this just a little bit to actually get the cap to come off. Now, of course, be careful with this. This is meant for white. If you get it on something black, anything like that, and you could make a cool pattern, as they say, but just be very careful with this. Anything you put this on, it's going to bleach it. So if you get a stain on a white shirt, socks, anything like that, this is where you're gonna put this on there and then you're gonna go wash it. What I did not know, which is really cool, is you have other stains. Let's say, for instance, in the bathroom, let's say you've got some caulk stains or anything like this. You can just put this along the line, let it sit there, and then rinse it off, and it's going to clean that up. So there's multiple uses beyond just shirts. Now this does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars, over 280 reviews, and last month this little container here sold 600 plus. So people are buying them, people are using them and getting good results. I'm not seeing that they're getting returns. So if you're looking for a bleach pen, maybe give this one a try. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.